everyone! So in this video, I'll show you how to fix your Fanimation ceiling fan remote when it's not working properly. If your fan won't respond, lights won't turn on, or the remote just seems dead, don't worry. It's usually something simple like batteries, pairing, or power. Now here is the solution step by step. Step 1. Check the batteries. Start with the basics. Remove the battery cover from the remote and replace the batteries with new ones. Make sure they're inserted correctly, positive and negative sides matching the markings. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Step 2. Check the power to the fan. So make sure the wall switch that controls power to the fan is turned on. If your fan has a breaker, check that it hasn't tripped. No power means the remote won't respond at all. Step 3. Repair the remote with the fan. Now, this is a common fix. Turn off the fan's power from the breaker or wall switch. Wait for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the pair or learn button on your remote, usually inside the battery compartment, until the fan beeps or the light blinks. That means it's successfully reconnected. Step 4. Check the dip switch settings. If your remote uses dip switches, make sure the small switches inside the remote match the same pattern as the receiver inside the canopy of the fan. A mismatch will prevent the remote from controlling the fan. Step 5. Reset the fan receiver, if needed. Turn off the power again, locate the receiver box inside the fan canopy, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This resets the receiver and clears minor signal issues. Important notes. Always turn off power before opening the fan canopy or touching wires. Avoid using LED bulbs that cause interference with the remote signal. And that's it! You just learned how to fix a Fanimation fan remote that's not working. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick home repair guides.